Hello CIS scholars, today I am here with a wonderful topic for you all. So today we are going to learn about community helpers. I repeat, today we are going to learn about community helpers. So children, before starting our topic, let's see what is a community. So students, a community is a particular area where a group of people are living and working together, right? A community is a particular area where a group of people are living together and working together. Now, it can be a small group and it can be also a large group. It depends on the number of people who live there, right? So students, now let's see who are community helpers. Community helpers are people who work in the community for the overall well-being. Okay, now they are very important people. They play a very important role because they help others. Now I'm sure you all know that helping others is a very good quality, right? Do you help others? Do you help your parents, your friends? So it is very good that we should help others. So community helpers also help by doing their duty. Now all the community helpers have different roles to play. They all have different jobs, right? And they can be, so all the community helpers, a community helper can be a doctor, a plumber, postman, gardener, and there are so many other community helpers as well. Okay, so children, today we are going to learn about few of these people and see how important their role is. So let's start. So students, now I am going to show you the pictures of different community helpers, and then along with that I'll be explaining you about them. So here comes the first picture. As you can see, can you all see the picture? He is a barber. Who is he? He is a barber. So a barber is a community helper, and what is his duty? His duty is to cut our hair. So let us understand this through an example. Okay, so children, meet Jasmine. She is a very good girl. She always is very happy, and one day while she was playing, she feels her hair have grown so long and she does not know what to do and where to go. So what did she do? She calls her mother for her help. Jasmine calls her mother. Mama, please come for my hair. And when her mother comes, yes baby, tell me, how can I help you? Then Jasmine says, Mama, look at my hair. They have grown so long and I want to cut them. But I don't know what to do and where to go. Can you help me, Mama? And then Jasmine's mother replies, yes, my dear child, I'll take you to a barber shop. Then Jasmine asks, a barber shop, Mama? What does he do? Then Jasmine's mother explains, a barber is a community helper and it is his duty to cut, shape and trim our hair. So that is his duty and he is going to do it very nicely. And then Jasmine becomes very happy. So now we all know what does a barber do? A barber cut our hair. As you can see in this picture, he is cutting the hair of this boy who is sitting in the chair. Okay, and who is a barber? A barber is a community helper. So students, now let's move ahead and see our second picture. Now can you all see? Observe her carefully and tell me, who is she? See everyone, she is holding a book in her hand. So who is she? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. So students, a teacher works in a school and college. And what is her duty? She helps us to read and write. She helps us to learn, read and write. And a teacher also teaches us new and good things, right? She teaches us good things and that inspires us and motivates us for our future. So a teacher is also a very important community helper. Okay? So children, now let's see the next picture. Look at the picture. Who is he? He is a postman. So children, who is a postman? A postman is a person who brings smile on everyone's face. Yes, he brings smiles on everyone's face. A postman works in a post office. So children, now suppose you want to write a letter who is very far, to your relatives or to your friends who stays very far. So who delivers your letter? Those letters are delivered by a postman. So all the letters and parcels that we send to our near and dear ones are delivered by a postman. A postman travels from house to house and delivers letters and parcels. So this way he brings smile on everyone's face, right? So children, now let's a beautiful rhyme for a postman. Rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat, who is that? Rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat, who is that? It is the postman with letters in his bag. It is the postman with letters in his bag. He brings letter from far and near. He brings letters from far and near. From my friends who are very dear. From my friends who are very dear. Rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat, who is that? It is the postman with letters in his bag. It is the postman with letters in his bag. So children, now let's move on and see the next picture. So, who can guess who is he? Yes, he is a firefighter. Who is he? He is a firefighter. Yes, a firefighter is also a community helper. So how does he helps us? He helps us by protecting people from fire and keeps them safe. Right? Keeps them safe. Do you know children, firefighters are considered as a real heroes. They are the real heroes because they inspire all others and they face new challenges every day and finds ways to fix them. As you can see, they wear a protective clothes. These are the special protective clothes that they wear along with the helmet and the boots. So this is their uniform when they go for the duty. So these are the real heroes and firefighters are also community helpers. Right? Now let's move on and see the next picture. So children, first you have to tell me, do you all love to play with gun at home and defeat your enemies? Do you all play discount, discount, discount? Do you all play at home? So, do you know the person who does these things in real is a soldier. Yes, a soldier is looked upon with a lot of respect. He works for our country. And his role is to fight for our nation. So he is also a great hero who also sacrifices his life for our nation and country. So he is also a community helper. So children, before moving ahead, to the next community helper. First tell me, do you all like flowers? Yes, I love flowers. So children, do you know who maintains the beauty of the flowers? Who takes care of these flowers? Yes, so the next community helper is a gardener. A gardener is a person who takes care, who waters the flowers and maintains the beauty of a garden, right? So he is a gardener. He waters and takes care of all the flowers and plants. So children, there would be no flowers if he does not take care of the garden. So it is not only up to a gardener. If you are having a small garden at your house, even you can plant trees and water them, right? So you all have to maintain your own garden. So it is not necessary. So you can be also a community helper just like a gardener, right? So children, now let's do a quick revision about all the community helpers about whom we have learned today. So let's start with the first one. Who is he? He is a barber. So what is his duty? A barber cuts, trims and shapes our hair. What is his duty? A barber cuts, shapes and trims our hair. He is a community helper. The next is a teacher. Teacher teaches us how to read and write. She inspires and motivates us, right? The next is postman. So what is his duty? A postman delivers letters and parcels from our near and dear ones and brings smiles on our faces, right? So the next is a hero. He is a real hero, right? He is a firefighter. So he is viewed as a real hero because every day he faces dangers and overcomes them. A firefighter protects people from fire, rescues their life and keeps them safe, right? So a firefighter is also a community helper. The next is a soldier. A soldier works for our nation and country. Sometimes he also sacrifices his life for our country. So he is also a hero and he is respected a lot. We should respect everyone, right? Now the last is a gardener. He maintains the beauty of our garden by watering plants and trees, right? So a gardener is also a community helper. So students, I want you all to see these things and then I'll be back with few more community helpers in my next video. So this is video part 1 and I'll be soon coming with part 2 where still I am having so many community helpers about whom we will learn in my next video. So till that time, you all have to take good care of yourself and keep smiling. Bye-bye.